What's going on, YouTube? Well, here's a third kit I'm going to build. So it's the Foose Cadillac Eldorado. A lot of you guys seen this kit. I had to actually write the company and tell them about the messed up body, so I got another one. So this was a long time ago. So anyway, what I did was I pre-opened all the plastic so I didn't have to put the phone down, because I've tried shooting this video twice already. So it's got the let's get started. So it's got the typical Revell instructions. I don't really think I get a flip through there too much here. So it's instructions, blah blah blah. We'll use some of them. It's also got a very simple decal sheet, which I'll probably use some of them, but not all of them. The body is pretty nice. Usually there's a problem with the side and the doors, and this is broken, so now they molded this in here for packaging purposes. This one's pretty nice, so if it gets messed up, it's probably my fault. So let's see what's in the box. The chrome sheet. The wheels are redlined, kind of. So I gotta do something either with that in contrast or get rid of them, but we'll see. Let's see, interior bucket, which I like it, a nice console in there. Excuse my raspy voice because I've been sick, so I don't like this bit, but I'll fix that. The top, the hood, it's pretty nice. Nice detail on the disc brakes and steering column. I might build my own shocks, but we'll see. Another parts tree, some of the motor stuff, some of the wheel stuff. Door panels. They're nice, custom. Looks to be a pretty simple kit. Oh, sorry, you guys probably can't see what that manual is. Duh. It's pretty nice, pretty clean detail. It's got headers, which I'll use those, the nice detailed headers. Exhaust, I'll probably use that too. It's nice. Let's see. There are the seats, real nice. Backs. Frame, which I like these two-piece frames, or the separate frame from the body, which I think I mentioned that in one of my other videos, so you know it's true. I'm not a liar. Yeah, I like these. What else is in there? Alright. Pretty nice. Windshield. And of course, I could open that right now. Tires. Nice. That's about it. So look at this mess. Alright, well, I'm gonna get started, fellas. So got a lot to clip off here and start sanding all three models, and we'll get busy. So you guys all take care, have a good rest of your week, have a good Friday, and maybe I'll see you Saturday. Alright, take care, guys. Bye.